Hey everybody, Jared here at Big Pine. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha Wolverine X4. This video is about the soft cab enclosure from Yamaha. As you can see, the soft cab enclosure is sealing off the machine pretty well. How do you get inside? You're gonna open up the zipper, pull the window out of the way, and simply open up the door like you normally would to get inside. All the windows do roll back, and you can store them rolled up like you would a Jeep. Here on the back, they're gonna open up the same way. Again, you can roll this up, and there's a tab right here that you can secure it in the rolled up position right here, allowing you access to the inside. Around the back, the rear window from Yamaha also unzips down both sides. You've got these elastic straps right here to help hold it down in the middle, and it also can roll up and store up out of the way. It's a great way to keep the elements off you, the rain, the snow, the mud, the gunk. This particular model will be getting tracks on it for the winter. They wanted to stay inside and stay warm. We did also install the Yamaha factory heater kit. It's got defrost functionality as well as vents throughout the machine on the front. If you have any questions on the cab enclosure, give us a call, 435-427-3338. We'll get you guys taken care of. Have a great day, everybody.